Hello guys, welcome back to MJ Crypto, and right in this video I'm going to be showing you how to place an OCO order on spot trading. OCO simply means one cancels the order. Now this order enables you to take a sell position after buying on spot at market price. In other words, you are trying to set a stop loss and at the same time set a take profit simultaneously. Okay, so that's why it's called one cancels the other. So whichever one hits first, if it hits your take profit first, the market will sell. Okay, you tell Binance to take a sell for you. If it hits your stop loss, you tell Binance to also take a sell for you after buying on market price on spot trading. You know, on futures is totally different. You can just put in your stop loss and take profit, but here we're trying to set two limit orders. In other words, if the price goes up, Binance, please sell it for me. If the price comes down, I'm already in a loss. Binance, please kindly sell it for me. Let me go back. All right. So basically, that's what we do. So we'll be making a live demonstration here right now, and I will show you exactly how to go about this. It's very simple. So the very first thing you want to do is to buy your pair on the spot wallet. Okay. So we're on our spot right now. I'll be using $49. Okay, I think I have roughly $49.5 in this spot wallet. So I'll use everything, buy BTC at market price. I'm going to buy BTC now. Market price, you can see it. Success. Okay, so I've actually bought BTC currently. Okay, so you can see here my funds. You can see here I bought BTC. All right, now I want to sell BTC. What price did I buy BTC? I think 45,360 thereabout. Good. So now I want to tell Binance that, hey, if the price of this asset goes to 45,600, sell it for me. Okay, but if the price goes down to 45,200, Binance, please sell my own BTC that I bought. Sell it for me. I'm not doing again. All right, good. So now what do? The first thing we need to do is to change this market order here. We're on sell now. Put it on OCO. Okay, put it on OCO. So now the first thing we want to do is to put the price we want to sell it if the price goes up. Okay, we put the price right there. Very simple. So we want the price to go to 45,600, and the stop limit. We want the stop limit to, let's say, be 45,250. Okay, and then we're not telling Binance that if the price goes to 45,250, sell my own BTC for me at 45,200. Okay, and then we'll put the amount. We're selling everything. Do you get it? Good. And then we place the sell order. Place the sell order like this at a click. Success. So now it's going to appear right here in our open orders. Now you can see we have two orders. The first order here is telling us that the price is set at 45,200. But the condition here, you are seeing it now. The condition here is telling you that if the price gets to 45,250, they are going to sell your own at 45,200. Oh, that's what you've told Binance to do. Do you understand? So it's that simple. And now if the price rises back to 45,600, you're already in profit. Okay, the one here at the bottom is for profit. If it gets to 45,600, you are in profit already. Okay, so you are not telling Binance to sell for you because you want to make some cool cash. All right, so it's that simple. This is how to use the OCO order. All right, it has two limit orders in one. Okay, normally if you are using your normal limit to buy or your normal limit to sell, you can't place two positions in one order. So you have to use the OCO. Now anyone that hits first, the other one cancels. So if you hit a loss first, your profit limit is cancelled as well. And if you hit your profit first, automatically your loss limit is cancelled. Okay, so basically this is how to use the OCO order. I'll be dropping consecutive videos regarding to different kind of orders we have. We have the stop limits, the limits, and so on and so forth. All right, I'll be dropping. This is just for spot trading. Okay, and for those who actually subscribe for my mentorship, they already told me to make a video showing them how to do this. Okay, so basically that's why I'm actually doing this. Ordinarily I don't make videos on sports. It's basically futures trading. Okay, this channel is majorly for futures trading, but I'll be making this video, posting it here. Anyone can need this. All right, so cheers guys. I'm gonna see you in my next video. And if you've not subscribed to this channel, well, I don't know what you're still waiting for. Subscribe, hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss out on amazing content like this. Okay guys, cheers. Have a lovely week ahead. Love you all. Peace.